Hey guys, today I'm back with these holly French tip nails. I've been wanting to do these for the past few years and I finally got around to doing them. So if you want to know how I did this, keep watching. So I started off with painting my nails with this pink polish, very neutral pink. And then once that was dry, I went in with my Moe London Frenchy 18 plate and a white polish and just stamped the French tip guard. And placed that on my nail. And then with my Moe London Fall in Love 04 plate and a green stamping polish, I just stamped the leaves of the holly and stamped that straight on my nail. And then back in with this red shimmery polish, I stamped the rest of the berries and stamped that straight on my nail. And then finally a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these holly nails. They're so cute and so easy. Easy if you can stamp. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.